Today we will discuss the question answers of the chapter The Hack Driver. As you can see on the very first page, read and find out, because we have read the chapter and now we have to find out the answer of these questions. Why is the lawyer sent to New Milan? What does he first think about the place? The narrator was a lawyer in a firm. Uh, his work was not to prepare the legal papers, no, but just to serve the summons, the legal documents to the people. So he went there to serve the summons to a man, Oliver Lutkins. He was indeed a witness in a case. When the narrator was going there, before that he had formed a picture, you can say a beautiful imaginary picture about the place. He was disappointed as it was not a sweet and simple country village, but had narrow, muddy streets, unpainted wooden shops, and all that. So, who befriends him? Second question. Where does he take him? You remember when he got down from the train at the station, he was impressed with a person who called himself Bill, because he was a hack driver. He was having a carriage, claimed that he saw Lutkins. He was very clever. He manipulated the narrator throughout the town in a very friendly way, so as there was no suspicion. He took him to different places like Fritz, then Gustav and Gray's barber shop. Finally, Bill took him to Lutkins' terrible mother, wherever it was told that they had missed Oliver only a few hours. What does he say about Lutkins? What was the expression of Bill about Lutkins? Bill told the narrator that he was Oliver Lutkins only. He has seen him an hour ago. He was a hard fellow to be caught. As you know, he was always up to something or the other. He doesn't stay at one place. He was probably trying to start a poker game. Then he was not really bad, but it was hard to make him part with his money, because he borrows money from the people and never return it to them. So such was the expression of Bill regarding Lutkins. Moving to the next, find and read and find out on page 50. The next questions are, you can read from your book. What more does Bill say about Lutkins and the family also? He admired Lutkins' talent because he was very dishonest. It seems to be as if Bill was admiring. Oliver Lutkins was always up to some mischief, doing something terrible, and the other had never more than that was important, he never parted with his money. Then he told about Lutkins' mother. She is a terrible lady. She exaggerated, told the things in a very vivid way, that she was 9 feet tall and 4 feet thick, which is not possible at all. She once almost took Bill's skin off. It was all something exaggeration. Bill feared that Oliver Lutkins must be hiding behind his mother's skirt. She is so tall, so fat, having 4-meter thickness, so he must be hiding somewhere behind his mother. Does the narrator serve the summons that day? How is it possible? We can't think of it, because he went at so many places with Bill, the hack driver, but couldn't find Lutkins anywhere. So how could he deliver the summons? Clever and crafty Bill is working with a plan just to deceive, to make fool of this man. He makes him go around the whole town meeting strange people, but not Lutkins. Everywhere he gets the same answer, that Lutkin had just left an hour, a minute ago, like this. Who is Lutkins? Oliver Lutkins was an important witness in a legal case. So summons was served to him. The narrator was sent to serve the summons. Legal papers were sent to him so many times, but he never responded. So this time, this narrator was sent there, and the middle-aged and red-faced hack driver befriended the narrator only to confuse and befool him. Actually, he himself was Oliver Lutkins. Now, thinking about some more questions, let us discuss the textual questions also. You are to write all the word meanings underlined in the chapter. The first question is very much clear to you. When the lawyer reached New Milan, did Bill know that he was looking for Lutkins? No. When did you think Bill came up with his plan for fooling the lawyer? Actually, in the beginning, Bill didn't know the narrator was looking for Lutkins. It was just a coincidence that Bill met him at the station and his cab was there when the narrator reached the station. But when the narrator told Bill the purpose of his visit to this place, he came to know of it, that he is in search of Lutkins. The narrator clearly told Bill that he had come to here to serve summon to a person named Oliver Lutkins. So he needed as a witness in a legal case. So then Bill planned something. Now he wanted to befool, to cheat this man, the narrator, or you can say the lawyer who had come to deliver the summon. So they wandered here and there in search of the man who himself was there with the narrator, you can say. Lutkins openly takes the lawyer all over the village. How is it that no one lets out the secret? Notice that the hack driver asked the lawyer to keep out. Yes, you remember, the hints are given. Every time, everywhere where they have gone, every time the hack driver, known as Bill, he asked him to stay outside, not let him to go inside with, to find out. So he is very clever, Lutkins, and very clever and cunning hack driver. First of all, he befriends the lawyer and wins his confidence, and then lawyer is made to believe forcefully that he can't search Oliver Lutkins without Bill's help and guidance, and then he took him to all different places. No doubt he openly takes the lawyer all over the village. It sounds very strange that no one in the village lets the secret. The moment Bill comes to know that the lawyer has come to serve the summons, then he decided to befool him. Everywhere he went in search of Lutkins, he used to say the narrator to stay outside with this or that excuses, and he himself goes inside and comes back with the same answer that Lutkins has just left a few minutes ago. Moving to the next question.